All right, let's get this all assembled and ready to shoot. This is the Dastimun AK47 or PDW by Dastimun. So let's check it out. This one has some differences that I've not seen in others. So first, just, again, looking in the magazine, it's kind of hard to see, but you can see up close, you can see there's connections in there. There you go, that are for the battery that's going to power that magazine. So it's got the powered magazine, which I really like, and that's pretty cool. Battery goes in a much different spot on this gun. This slides forward, and this is where your battery is going to go. So just to show you again, this kind of goes on over the, see how this is, just goes on like this, and then it just slides like that. Okay, it clips back here and it clips at the front. So we're going to go ahead and we'll put that battery in now. All right, so about 1 to 2 hours to fully charge this. Light will turn solid green on the USB. Plug it into any AC adapter. Plug that in. And it can only plug in one way. All right. It is charged and ready to go. And then this is going to slide back on. Before we do that, though, let's take this scope right here and let's slide it onto the rail. Because otherwise you'd have to undo the screws like completely if this is where you were going to put the scope. So just slide it on when you've got that battery cover off. If you're going to go ahead and slide anything on the top rail, just save you some time. It'll be a little easier. It does appear that you can go ahead and remove the sight with just a little screwdriver. And same back here, you can remove the sight, or you can take this whole piece off if you want to. Got the side rails and the bottom rail as well, if you're interested in that. And again, let's go over to open this up. You're just going to put some pressure towards the top, push the button, going to click out into place. So you may need to put this together. There's a little nut that's going to come that you're going to put right in that cavity, a little nut that's going to go in this one. Actually, nope, the screw just has the nut built in. So you're just going to put the bolt, through there. And that's what's going to allow you to open and tighten this rail, or this grip onto a rail. So we'll go ahead and spin that down and tighten that foregrip down. Got that good to go there. Choose your muzzle. Put the red one on. It's just going to slide on. There's only one way it can go. There's a couple little notches, and then it turns. And the black one goes on the same way. Again, use some eye protection of some sort. Now let's talk about the gel balls. Always soak them for at least 4 to 6 hours. Typically, I just soak them overnight. That's easiest. Use plenty of water. You can always drain off excess water. 7 to 8 millimeter gel beads are not going to get bigger than 7 to 8 millimeters, so don't worry about them getting too big. Just use plenty of water so they get big enough, and then just drain off any excess water. So I already had some ready to go. I use these little kind of Tupperware containers. If you got some type of airtight container like this, they will stay the correct size for quite a long time. If they do start to get too small, you can always add more water. So I found you drain them before you put them in here, and then if you use your hand to kind of funnel them into any of these magazines, that's also going to drain off any excess water. So that's a little pointer as well. If for some reason the gun's not shooting well, or the beads are just kind of dribbling out, or even getting stuck in the barrel and rolling out, your beads are too small, so use some more water, let them soak longer. All right, got that ready to go. That's just going to go ahead and slide right up in there. To take it off, your release button's on this side. Just push that button, slides down. Okay, so it's pretty easy and intuitive to use if you've used a gel blaster before. All right, so it even has a little hop-up feature here. I'm not sure where that is actually doing anything, but what a hop-up does is, for more or less, that's just going to basically provide additional spin on the gel ball to make it go further. So be interesting to see if that makes a difference. Otherwise, you can get little hop-up tips that have slight adjustments on them. They're pretty inexpensive. All right, so again, this is from the brand Dastimun. And this is an AK47 or PDW model. Check it out on Amazon. Currently, it is on sale for actually $79. It's $89 minus a $10 coupon. So check it out.